Can you get it from the side?
Oh, like this.
Two S1Ks. Yeah, that's hard, bro.
Oh, my calves are
Two S1Ks, bruh. Mad. Start these bad boys up.
Oh, is that the guy?
Yeah, yeah.
What bike is that?
Same as mine, but a newer one. S1000.
What is that?
Huh?
Which one?
He's wearing a white top.
That one that's doing cars now?
Yeah, that's him, that's him. S1K, 4th gen. S1K, 3rd gen. I'm gonna follow you, yeah? Alright, safe. I'll stay behind you in it. Oh, make some pictures and videos of me, yeah? Bro?
You didn't rev it properly, bro.
Don't do too much, yeah?
No, don't worry.
This is hard. A 4th gen.
Why is it doing that platform?
It won't matter, it needs to warm up. S1K with the Resolver mirrors. 4th gen. Oh shit. That is mad. It looks a lot smaller, but obviously it's a 4th gen. He's got the crash guards or sliders. Resolver mirrors look mad, but it's broken. That looks hard. Oh, that scratch, you know. Jeez. Boy, move it, man. Move it. Right, we're leaving the gym. Bro, I'm gonna get off. I can't, I'm holding the clutch in. Safe.
Respect,
Sunday.
Drive safe.
Yep, safe.
Smashed it as always, yeah?
Safe.
Safe point. He's in the pop then still.
Did it?
Yeah.
Come on. Come. Woo! And we're out of here. Sorry people, I forgot to vlog. So I've just left the gym. That's obviously the law. You've got to do that all the time. Anytime you go under a tunnel. That was all in first gear. Cool, blimey. Now we're going to get out of here. Indicator still on. It's not very good. And let's take it. Oh. Oh, lights are green, but I'm wearing shorts. I'm being a squid today because I just come out the gym. So I'm going to take it a little bit easy. Tires are still speed cameras, slow down. Come on. Bow, 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 bow. Doing a little photo shoot as we go. Gotta wait for them. Is that them behind us? I'm completely forgetting to vlog. Too busy messing around. I'm having too much fun with Blanche today. I got the fellas behind me, so I'm going to try and keep it cool and slow for them as well. This guy is driving a little bit too slow, but at the same time, oh, don't take it. Don't take it. Not even looking at traffic. Oh. Just keep it cool. Keep it very cool. That will never get old, people. It's currently 9:34 and it's still nice out. Come on, summer, bring it on. Now, one thing I do have to say is, while we're out on the roads, I'm going on holiday and I'm going to be away for about 2 weeks, so clearly I won't be able to upload. So I just wanted to give you guys the heads up as to why you won't be seeing from me, because I'll be literally out of the country. Come on. What is happening here? Hello, hello, hello. And we're gonna pop in here to the local boozer for a quick bite to eat. It's not alcohol, obviously, because I got the bike with me, but it will be a pineapple shandy. And for my people that know what a pineapple shandy is, it's the best non-alcoholic drink, that is for sure. put it there, can I? Shit then. Oh, I might leave it here, to be fair. Actually, don't put it there, it's in the way. Let me put it are you sticking it here? There, next to you. Yeah, that side. Actually, you know what? You put it in the other one, let me put it here. Yeah. 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 Oh! And we are currently here for a quick pineapple shandy, some protein, and then we're out of here. What's going on, people? You catch me leaving the local boozer after having a nice pineapple shandy that was refreshing as hell, very sugary, but I had to have something refreshing. It's been mad hot today. Now what we're gonna do is head home slowly. I want to see how this footage comes out at night time. And it is night time because it's 9:55. Core blimey, it's past my bedtime. But it's still a nice breeze out. This is nice, riding at night. Oh. See what's happened here. Slow down. Oh jeez. Let's get out of here before they try and stop me. Safe? Huh? To yours? Yeah. Alright, safe. And they're off. Oh, indicator still on. That's not very good. My eyes are watering because the bloody visor was up. Now we're going to head back home slowly. And it's been a bloody good gym session. Well deserved. Seeing as I'm going on holiday, I am off to Marbella to get some well deserved sunshine. Make sure there's no one behind me. Oh my god, this bike is hot as hell. And I've got shorts on like a squid. It's not good. My legs are burning. The infamous rev. And we're back safe and sound. And on that note, people, it is officially, put it in neutral, officially good night from me and Blanche at 9:58 on a Friday. Peace out, catch you on the next one. Thanks for joining in.